Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So we're finishing up social class and stratification, and hopefully you had a good time um, thinking about social class, thinking about how it affects you, and maybe getting a chuckle or two out of the film. I think the film is really interesting and telling about how social class really does kind of in, embed itself into everything we do, and we don't even think about it. So I look forward to those posts. They should be coming in due tomorrow, right? So we're going into midterm week. I am surprised. No, it's not a surprise. I knew it was coming. You knew it was coming, but here it is. So you've got your midterm. So I'll click on it and we'll do a little chat about it. And my dogs are really sad that you have to have a midterm, but I know you can handle it. So stop, you guys. I'm trying to have a conversation with my students here. Oh, Lord. Okay. So you have the rubric to the exam that kind of looks at what we're looking, what I'm hoping for. And then the questions are down here. And for some reason, I'm not able to open it because my little screen is blocking. But here we go. This should get it open in just a second. So you've got, I think, 8 questions. Let me double check that. But I'm pretty sure it was 8 questions that I made. And then you'll write them. And you have a week to write them, so you can use whatever you use, course material, whether it be the book. The posts are really fun to kind of think about in terms of like how you answer these questions. Did somebody say something really interesting on a topic that's being asked in a question? You could refer back to any of those posts as part of testable material. The films, all the articles, all the content. So it's all testable material, and I think you can use it to the best of your ability to create something. You have a week to do it. It's due uploaded on the 28th in your module, so you just go to town with that, and if you have questions, let me know. It's due at the usual 11:59 time, so you want to make sure you get it in, or else the module is going to lock on you. So let's see. Ooh, I need to make one change on this document, so I'm just going to do that right now, and then I'm gonna resend it to you so you have it, okay? Because it's available today. You're watching me do this. We're all doing this together. Through 10:28. Okay, so then we're going to say after 10:28. I will add 11:59 p.m. Okay, so you got a week to do it. Go do it well, and yeah, pretty straightforward. What is a theory? Culture, socialization, social construction of reality, group size, deviance, media, social class, social stratification. So it's the chapters that we've been working on to date, okay? Nothing new, no surprises, all right? So happy writing. If you have any questions or comments, just find me either in person or on the email or the Canvas, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, take good care.